Hi there, welcome to InfoTrack channels. My name is Charles, I'm the product manager of InfoTrack. So today we will have a short interview sections with our Agile coach and also professional Scrum trainer Naveen Kumar Singh, who has more than 20 years of experience in software development and also the product development. At the same time, Naveen also helped a lot of organizations to transforming their way of working from traditional project management, or we used to call it waterfall, into agile way of working. So let us begin our interview section by welcoming Naveen. Hi Naveen, thanks for sharing for today's workshop. Alright, so can you tell us all about for today's workshop?
Yeah, sure, Charles, and thanks for inviting me to talk. Today we had a workshop on a very critical topic, call it as the role of project manager in agile transformation. And it was really good. We got many people to come and attend the workshop, and we had a great discussions around it.
All right.
The whole purpose of having this workshop was to highlight that the project manager and PMO play a critical role in agile transformation. And if they are not part of it, you cannot really see the overall transformation, because they are one of the pillars in the organization who runs the biggest strategy or project in the company. So overall, it was quite good, and I also learned a lot. They also learned a lot. So it's good.
Alright, that's good. So my next question to you is that what are the common challenges encountered by most of the organization nowadays?
The bigger challenge is mindset, old thinking, legacy processes, hierarchical organization, and that slow down in decision making. And if you are unable to make decisions faster, then you are not able to roll out the product faster in the market.
Correct.
If you are not able to make decisions faster, you are not able to optimize your processes faster. So if you go to the organization and then just a simple question that, hey, I need something like this, how much time do you think you will get it done? And you can say that, then you will see that the whole organization, they struggle to collect the information from the various department to compile and give it to you. So the organization's design is a problem, or organization fragmented into different ways. So they need to look at it to an organization structure, processes, culture, mindset. These are the basic challenges in every organization.
Alright, I think this one is pretty true. In that sense, how do you think Agile can help to overcome these challenges?
I think, let me correct the one thing, that Agile cannot help overcome the challenges. People can help in overcoming those challenges.
Okay.
But when I say people, it's first of all the mindset. People need to think a bit differently than the way they are thinking right now. They need to adopt empiricism. They need to challenge their own thought process, and they have to experience it. They have to experiment. So that's the first thing that has to happen. Second, you have to think about how can you simplify your organization structure, because current organization structure does not allow you to have a quicker decision. You have to go from here to there to there. So think about having a transformation in your organization structure so that it allows people to make decisions quicker. Third thing that you need to build a learning organization. It cannot be the one-time investment. Transformation cannot happen one time. It has to be a continuous process. So people has to acquire the new knowledge based on whatever they are experimenting, and they have to keep challenging themselves and keep challenging the status quo. So if you look at these three things, I feel that that's more important in the context of Agile. Because Agile talks about the mindset, organization talks about the simplified organization structure, and Agile also talks about learning organization. So you can say Agile, but I feel that it's people.
Alright, that's a good point. My last question is that how to initiate agile transformation within an organizations?
There has to be a simple approach for that. First of all, the senior management has to have a vision and goal that why the transformation is needed. At the same time, you also need to think about how to create knowledge, within the organization by organizing workshops, training, in various ways. Maybe you can have someone external to come and talk about it, or maybe you have your employee to go and give some other companies to do that. The third thing is you cannot just do it in isolation. So bring every department closer. You have to have people from everywhere, including the risk, compliance, your process, your security, your HR, your IT, your business, your marketing, and if everyone is not committed to the same vision and goal, it's difficult to start. And when I say the knowledge creations, that's where you come, and your company InfoTrack comes in, because you guys have experience in providing training and consulting to various organizations. So you can help organizations by bringing the good program for them, or maybe you can partner with them to design their learning path. So think about all these three things: the top management who set us the vision and goal for the transformation, and every department has to come into that and create a knowledge at every level of organization. So that can be the way to start.
Alright, thanks Naveen. I think that's all for our sharing today. So once again, thank you Naveen for his sharings, and also I will see you in next video.